Demarco Williams, Assistant Director of Mapping for the Department of Survey and Mapping. And about the business continuity plan, I would like to say that it was a very good experience. One of the highlights for me was learning the call order from the top ranking position to the bottom. In case of emergency, who do we call? Why do we use that order? And how do we go about actually carrying out our various tasks once we have been impacted by any type of disaster or hazard. So I actually look forward to implementing all of what was learned back into my department, and it'll be interesting for us, being that we have several islands. Even though our staff numbers are low, we can learn how to manage the resources that we have and use them effectively.